I'm Sherilyn, a DEFO certified English teacher with over 5 years of teaching experience. I help children, teenagers, and adults improve their English in a simple, practical, and enjoyable way. In my lessons, we don't just study English, we use it. We practice speaking, pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and everyday conversations through topics that are useful in real life. For younger learners, I use fun activities, visuals, and interactive exercises to keep lessons engaging. For teens and adults, I focus on building confidence so you can express yourself more naturally in English. Whether you want to improve your everyday conversation, pronunciation, and overall communication skills, I'm here to support you step by step. I'd love to meet you and help you reach your English goals. Book a lesson with me and let's start learning together. See you in class.